Alright, wasted some more time on his axle, so we got the big boy tools. So it's an 1 7/16 nut. I don't have any wrenches, so we're going to use a ratchet. So you clear your muffler. Yeah, it clears your muffler.
I need pieces of crap won't rip up on the tape drum.
Need what?
Better than these ones.
What I got? Try this.
Alright.
Get this stupid clip off of here. Gone. You didn't need that, did you?
Sure, I didn't need a tape drum.
Alright, found it. You didn't go far. Dumbass. What the hell's those supposed to do in there?
What?
You can just restore your nuts in here because they don't do a damn thing in here like this.
You see them?
Yeah, they're right here. You jam between the swing arm and the damn brake.
This dumbass did that.
It's not even tightening down on anything. It's probably jamming the axle up so it won't even torque in. Look. These are damn grandma nuts instead of real man nuts.
Hey, you see his custom work tape drum.
Well, it's custom, alright.
How do you like it?
It's jammed in there pretty good. How do you get it out?
Oh, you're a genius.
See the caliper moving around? You can jamming that out of there. Okay. Now the brake will work. Oh, jeez. Things move now. Look at that. See, I got the nut out. Now the whole thing just slid backwards like it's supposed to tighten up. There you go. If you can jam something in, it's got to be big enough to take up that whole gap. Not those little toy things down there. What are you doing over here? You playing around? What? What the hell are you doing here? What the hell kind of a bolt is that?
Somebody gave them to me.
Once you find them, give them back to them. That's stupid.
We got more like the other two we took off tape drum?
Oh, you mean something like a hex bolt? Something you can use every day with a crescent wrench or anything? Find on the side of the road, you mean? Anything like that? No, I don't even have anything like that in the building.
No.
Yeah, we need some more tamper-proof 12-point. Those look like tamper-proof Torx heads. I actually have a wrench for those, you know.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Bunch of junk. Bunch of junk. Let's see which size you think he's using. Let's go try something like this one or this one here. This is the bigger one. There you go.
Why didn't you say that earlier?
You said I didn't have it. There you go. It's a good thing I didn't have it. I'd recommend putting something different back in there.
Seriously, dude.
Take all that crap out of the bag.
I am.
It'd be a lot lighter.
I am.
It wouldn't wheelie as good though. Give me my wrench back before you steal it. I know how you guys are.
Wrong guy, Tetro.
Yeah. Dumbass customers are all the same.
Wrong guy, Tetro.
Steal my tools, especially when they find out I have them. See, he didn't even know what it looked like. I think I put it backwards maybe. Here's what happens if dumbass uses it here, and they think it's like a regular, for taking a sprocket bolt nut off. Dumbasses. Snapped it right off. Fucking morons. See, it has to be full thickness like that to take heavy torque. Yeah. Some people. What are you doing? Are you playing in the dirt again? Alright, what do we got over here? Alright, let's go see what you got on the other side over here. I'm sure it's going to be wonderful, whatever it is. So we got one nut on this side.
Two nuts. One and one.
And let's see the other one.
No, it's one on each side, Tetro.
You got two on the other one.
You sure?
Yes. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get that out of there, though. I need to get that out of there. More fancy tools. Nose picker comes in handy for a lot of things. If that breaks, you gotta buy me a new one.
Christmas time is coming up, ain't it?
Yeah, of course you haven't paid me for the last 5 things you did, so we'll start now, right? That one's jammed in there. Pull the wheel back a little bit. That one's out. Okay. That might be too loose. I hope that's a cush drive and not broken.
God damn.
Okay, how far back does this go? So jam it all the way back. How far back does it go?
I don't know.
Well, you got to pull it back so I know how much space you're going to have.
We gotta jack it up, Tetro. I forgot. Fuck. You got a bike jack? We gotta jack it up so I can have it.
Just jam the damn thing forward.
Hmm?
Just jam the damn thing backwards somehow. What do you got? I bet you I can figure out a way of doing it.
Bet you can.
You think I can figure out a way of doing it?
Tetro, you can change a tire with no machine. Of course you can figure out a way.
Well, I got a tire iron
I seen you change
That.
a Safari tire with no...
and a big hammer. I got an axle adjustment checking device right here.
I seen you change a tire with no... Whatchamacallit, Tetro?
There you go, sir. Guess what that is? Tire checking device. Okay, get in there, squeeze on it.
On the,
So how far back you want to go?
Need this belt to be tightened up.
Oh. Okay, so it looks like we need to be pretty big. Now the other side went forward, so we're not sure where we're at. But you need some tension on that belt. So you're going to have about a 1/2 inch of a thing there. 7/16, something like that. Needs to be pretty big. So we got the stuff in there.
Aluminum foil.
A couple roll wraps of aluminum foil, little Berge can.
I said, Tetra, take a breather and think about it.
Oh, I don't know.
You know.
So you go like this and you can tell how much you gotta go. About that much.
I said, Tetra made your bike produce that much power, you're about to snap a belt.
Yeah. Right now it goes further than that because the axle's in the way right now. So where's the thing for turning that damn thing? Give me a wrench to turn that with. It moved on us a lot, so.
What, this one, Tetra?
Yeah. Is that how it goes? I forget how this thing goes.
The moon?
What the hell's this thing hit on? I forget. Or it goes around the other
direction. This side is supposed to be going, the moon's supposed to be facing down, Tetra.
And it goes this direction. Goes like that.
Yep.
Now when you squeeze it, it'll go further. There you go. This is hard to do with one hand. So see the gap in there between the axle and the
yes,
swing
sir.
arm? That's the length we need. I can't get full torque because I'm doing it with just my one hand right here. And the other side's all jammed forward because it slid forward. Because it needs to go backwards
You want
too.
to pop it all the way through?
See, that needs to go backwards too on this side.
Yeah, usually Tetra, we jack it up.
Yeah, we can't do everything like you do it. Okay, let me go find me something to put in there. Look at that. It's not locking. So I stuffed it in the other side already. So now I gotta pull this thing back and try to put that in. Looks like this thing's already spun back around on me a little bit. I'm not sure where this thing's supposed to be, but I'm gonna put it about right there, I think. Looks like a good spot. Not getting much help in the steel, so I'm just gonna have to jam it all in there. See what we can do. Playing with your phone over there, you can come over and help. I know you're pretty busy, so I guess
No, here. Well, I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that.
I just have to do it all myself.
No, here. Now, what you need me to do?
Your axle's in the way. Usually come out a little bit.
I can take it out. You want me to pop it out?
You got to beat it through a little bit further so I can get the axle in here, or nut in there.
All right. So pop it over. Pop it over to you, right?
We gotta bang it back over. We got something to push with though. Here's the hammer. Need like a pushing device called an extension. That'll be enough.
We don't got a floor jack, Tetra, so we could jack it up in the air.
What do I need a floor jack for? Squeeze out that thing.
You want me to squeeze this, Tetra? While you try to shove in the bolt?
It's getting ready to pinch me. My fingers was getting ready to pinch. See, I told you.
You want me to squeeze it, Tetra?
see. We're just a little bit too big. Got a nice shot of your elbow there. So this is too tall.
You want to file it down, Tetro? With the machine?
So we're going to make an adjustment.
File it down.
No, we're going to make an adjustment. So we got to get the other one out of here. See how that one's already in there? So see how it's sticking in there? See, I already got this one jammed in there. So it's going, when the axle comes through, that one's going to be way too much also. So these are too thick. Oh, I got the wrong one in there, you dumbass. I thought it looked too damn big. No wonder it didn't fit.
What happened?
I didn't put the small one in there like this. See, I need the big ones like this, but I need them without the lock washer. See, the small ones fall in sideways, so I need non-locking style ones of these. 3/8 flange nut, non-locking, or at least not nylock. So that means they need to be like these ones over here. So these are shorter than these ones, at least I think they are. See a difference in height between these two? See how they're different? So these will work, these are too tall. You want the bigger diameter flange so it doesn't fall down. Like that 5/16 one is going sideways in there. See that one's falling in sideways? That's a problem.
That's why it's moving up.
So we're going to use this one.
Squeeze it back for you.
Okay, so I'm going to install that other one over there. And come back over here and work on this side. So first we get that side in. Where'd my hammer run off to? Where's my hammer? Direction or
Or you want the other way?
I want to go this way.
Squeeze some more, Tetro. Look out. On the other side. You think it's supposed to face down a little bit more, Tetro, or it's cool?
That's where the nut puts it at. I don't care about the rest of it.
What do you care?
It's going to get worse. So how much belt torque do we got right now? How much belt torque is there?
Not much. It's tight.
You said not much, now you say it's tight. Which one is it?
It's tight.
Okay, where's my one we're using? We're using this one here. This one. See, we're in.
For real?
Yep. Has a belt torque right now. It's probably pretty tight.
Yeah, it is.
So there's the nut in there. Now when he drops the hammer a few times, it will pound up closer and it'll loosen up on him a little bit. If I go and grind the nut at an angle, it would help him probably slightly. So much torque is on that belt right now. Pretty snug. The guitar string. Is that too much torque? What's the deflection supposed to be? About that much. Might be a little bit too much.
Well, let's see if we rip the thing.
So if you ground the radius under that nut just a little bit, it'll loosen up a little bit on the belt torque over there and not be so much on it. That's probably what it needs to be. Okay, so we're going to pull these nuts out and go grind on them. We'll be back.